What's up, everybody? This is Josh here, and it comes to no surprise, the more income streams that you have is the more money that you tend to make. And then in this video, I'm going to cover the 5 best side hustles that you can do in order to make $100 or more every single day with no money out of pocket. So I'm not going to tell you that you need to buy rental property or pay someone $500 just to recruit more people in order to show those people how to recruit more people. But in this video, it's meant to be a realistic approach on ways that you can earn $100 or more every single day with a side hustle with what you already have, so you don't need any additional money, any additional skills in order to make this happen. So here are the top 5 side hustles and income sources that you can start working on now. And whenever I mean now, I mean right after obliterating that like button. Come on, try it out. I want you to go on and obliterate that like button until it turns blue. Just click it one time. However, if you don't like this video, click it 2 times. And by the way, you can also claim free stock with Robinhood by signing up using the link that I left down in the description box below. And the only thing you have to do are follow the prompts. And no, you don't have to make any deposit in order to get your free stock. I mean, why would you give up free money? So let's go on and get started with the list, because I do want to be respectful of your time. And first, you want to look around your house to see what is something that you no longer need or no longer want. And you can put these things on sites like Facebook Marketplace and eBay. This means that you have to own something first, but I'm pretty sure that all of us have something from time to time that we are no longer using, that's sitting in like a closet or in the garage just collecting dust. And someone will actually pay you for those items. There's something out there say one man's trash is another man's treasure. And sites like Facebook Marketplace and eBay, they make it extremely easy for you to sell those items. And I will show you step by step how you can set up a free eBay account today in the video right here. However, I will link that video down below. And secondly, you can make money by caring for others. Caring is another easy idea that you can do in order to make $100 a day or more in your spare time. And yes, you can make money babysitting. Oh, look at the little baby. But at the same time, there are plenty of seniors out there who may want someone to sit with them during the day and go out and run errands for them. And there are websites like Sitter City that matches up sitters with people who are looking for people to lend them a hand. Whether you want to offer services as a babysitter, you can be a nanny, a caregiver for a senior, or even pet sitting. You can do it all from this website. But first, you want to go over to the website and make sure that you're close to one of the cities that's on the list. And thirdly, you can get paid to type. Yes, we're talking about sitting at a computer typing. If you're good at typing and have a solid attention to details, you can make $100 a day or more as an online transcriptionist. And according to ZipRecruiter, online transcriptionists can make an average in the US of just over $45,000. And yes, that is dependent on your area, because you can see here in Atlanta, the average for a transcriptionist is just over $56,000. And here's also a list of other average prices for transcriptionists here in the US. And that's good money. Look at it. That's really good money. And it requires not talking to anyone. You don't have to say good morning to anyone. And you don't even have to leave your house in order to make a full-time income. And fourthly, you can make and sell crafts. Now, if you've got a creative side or you're skilled at making digital products, you can set up an online store with Etsy. Now, some of the best things that you can sell on Etsy to make $100 or more a day would include digital products. And you can make things like planners and printables, and you can use free websites like Canva in order to make that happen. And also you can set up and make homemade candles and soap, artwork, home decor items, homemade baby items. You can engrave things in wood. There are so many different things that you can sell on Etsy. And the great thing with Etsy is that you can use your imagination when deciding what to add to your online store. And it's also one of the best creative ways that you can make $100 a day or more. And also you can put yourself out for hire on websites like Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where people can offer their services and you can do things like writing, design, and pretty much anything. And if you have a skill or a trade or a talent, you may want to consider freelance services. Because the thing is, freelance services like Fiverr, it connects people who will offer their service to people that's looking to have services done. And it makes it very easy to connect the client with the freelancers. So there's something out there for everyone. Even if you do things like translation, you can do video editing, website design, tutoring, resume reviews, music, and so much more can be done on Fiverr. So just think of Fiverr as being that middleman that's connecting the people that's doing the work to the people that's looking to have the work done, and it just connect you up. And the great thing with Fiverr is that it's flexible. You get to choose the jobs that you do. You set your own price, and once you finish the job, that Fiverr, they will pay you the money. And I show you step by step how you can set up your Fiverr account in the video right over there. Check out the other video, by the way, on different ways also that you can make money that I probably didn't cover here in the video. Let me know of some other creative ways that you can make money down in the comment section below, and subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.